Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex, and let's go straight to our daily analysis. But before we go there, guys, I have some good news for you guys. Actually, internal, actually promotion. If you are part of the team, just let me know. For those who want Prime EA, only for this week, by the way. Prime EA, you get it for only $100. Only for 10 people, guys. Because I know there's only few people who are serious. That's why I like to say 10 people or 5 people or 20, because there is a limited number to people who are serious. So for this is still this one is gonna go for the whole week. For lifetime signals, guys, currently it's $50. This is a special. It's not something that maybe is going to stay here longer. So if you want Prime EA, just let me know. It's $100 only for 10 people. Actually, this is actually the internal special that I actually have in my groups. But if you know you are in the group, just let me know that Kenzo, I want to be part of that Prime, and you get the support for the robot. Actually, for those who don't know, there is a support for the robot. So yeah, let me know. So today actually we're quite late, so I just want to go actually and do some analysis very quick with you. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? Yeah, it's still seriously bleeding, like quite serious. You can see the market has been going down for quite some time now. So, but what's really happening? Will the market maybe recover or something? We don't know. But I think it's better to go closer and see. What we know is the market is still on this aggressive sell. Remember I don't remember if it's Friday or maybe yesterday on our weekly analysis, you see that we have an area there. This area is actually a resistance, and indeed, let me just zoom that. Indeed, the market actually respected that area and started to push the lower side. So it's quite similar, or the same zone here. You see, that is the zone that I'm looking at. You see, the market is playing games around this area. The market is playing games around that area. So after the market broke out of this area, the market came back again and retest. Then the market is now going down. And if you still remember also, I like what I see, because whatever that I see there, it's something that I did talk about. So on the bottom side, I marked this area, if you still remember, and said maybe the market will do what? Will come back there and respect. And I see the market came there and it's now pushing up. If you did take that trade, you were going to make some nice profits. So if you want to be part of the team, if you want to be in the team for only this week, it's $50 only. I'm just repeating this for those people who maybe did not see this. For Prime EA, $100 for only 10 people only this week if you are part of the team. So let's push. Because we are already late, so we don't really have to make this video very long. What's really happening on DAX? DAX is still pushing to the upside, but unfortunately, we can't just jump on the market. You can easily see that the market is pushing up. We have an area where the market seems like it's actually consolidating around that area. Maybe the market wants to create some sort of a resistance, which is fine, but I think the market has to go a little bit lower before we can say we can buy again, or maybe above this area where we can say it's a resistance. Then above that area we can buy. But the best thing that I want actually to happen, obviously I'm not going to force, the market won't just listen to me, but this is the rules that we follow. It's better to wait for the market to push a little bit lower before pushing up. Simple as that. So let's push the next one. Yeah, on DAX we are actually on bullish. So this is what I'm actually expecting on DAX. You see the market now is starting to push lower. So what's really happening actually now? We are on gold. For those who did not see that, we are on gold, and you can see that yes, the market was actually aggressively pushing to the lower side. You can see the market was on a downtrend, but guess what? The market changed that very quick, and we can see that yes, the market was doing what? The market broke out of this area, broke out of that resistance, which is a resistance, or actually a downtrend line. This is the line that shows us that the market was actually pushing lower. After the market broke out, we started to see the market consolidating, and then after that we missed that. Actually, we were supposed to take that, and then guess what? The market went up. Now the market is going down, but what I like here is the market is on an uptrend. So what we expect, actually, I'm expecting a very nice trend. This, whatever that I've drawn there, it's fine, but I think that is going to be very steep. So the market has to come back and create something like that, pushing further, actually, as an uptrend. As CPI was very like little bit down, so which means it's actually good for the market. When inflation is going down, it's actually good for the market. That's why we see the market pushing to the upside. Pushing to the upside. So, what's really happening here? You can easily see that this is US oil. It's US oil. What's really happening? The market was actually on a downtrend before we see a breakout there. So let's push there and try to see what's really happening. Let's see. You can see here the market actually around this area broke out, but guess what? It seems like the market is still respecting the same area. If you check that area, you will see that we also had an entry. Now the market is going actually in our favor. We had an entry because this area showed us that actually it's a sort of a resistance. If you still remember, I think it's yesterday, I even drawn something here. I said somewhere there it should be a resistance, but on top also we also had something. So which means now the market is doing what? After the breakout, the market came to retest there, and now it seems like the market will be pushing to the lower side. Maybe something like this before pushing lower, but what I like here is it's easy because we can say we are on a downtrend. The market is pushing to the lowest side. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So that's really good actually. So what's really happening on US30? This is 4 hours time frame, guys. This is 4 hours time frame. We can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually on an uptrend. Is very good because we know very well that it's easier for us who like to buy actually NASDAQ US30s to make money, because mostly when the market is pushing to the upside, it will go aggressive, especially when we have some good news like this. So I'm expecting to go live actually in the evening, afternoon one. I mean, yeah, after around 4 o'clock. I'm expecting to go live if we won't have any load shedding. So what's really happening here is the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. So what I am expecting here is we have an area here, so the market actually can touch this area, then we can buy before pushing to the upside. Or maybe the market will create a very nice structure that we can say above this resistance, it's where we can do what? Where we can buy, because currently the market is actually around the center, as the market might actually do what? The market might consolidate. But don't be surprised if the market will go down like this and reach maybe the support before pushing up. Be careful with that, because that is there's a possibility, especially after this aggressive bullish moves. So one way or another, the market will end up doing what? Maybe reversing before pushing up. But if everything is good actually in the market, we might see the market still pushing higher and higher. So you should be careful with that. So what's really happening here is, yeah, we are on NASDAQ. Remember, guys, we have 150, sorry, this is the normal price for prime EA. So what I'm doing is I'm smashing this $50 there, and I say, you know what, get it for $100 for only 10 people. If you are part of the team, only 10 people, you'll get the robot with only for $100. Lifetime signals, $50. This is actually limited. So let me know if you are interested. Let me know. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? On NASDAQ, you can easily see that, you know what, the market is still very strong, actually, still on that downtrend. So the market is still respecting what? This resistant area. Even though the market is pushing towards that, just know that actually there is a chance that the market will respect that area and push lower, as the market was actually on a very strong downtrend. And especially here, what I see is we only just have that push, the push that we had actually Thursday, Friday. But since then, the market was actually not moving, especially on Friday. The market has been there for quite some time now. But what I'm expecting here is I'm expecting the market to reach this area around 12,300, around 12,200, around this area, maybe before we see a sell. Do you see that? Before we see a sell, or maybe the market will have a chance to do what? To break that area. The market might break this area and push to the upside. That is possible. That it's possible. You should actually check for that, because if not, the market might come here and maybe you just jump on the market, which is going to be wrong. So wait for a breakout, or then the market is going to respect this area and push the lower side. So that's what we want. Actually, we actually have to follow the market. But here, if I can just draw this line clear, very clear here, I can say this line is supposed to be around this area, which shows that, you know what, we actually have a breakout. So let me zoom there. You will see that the market actually broke out. You see that the market actually broke out, and we can have maybe a very nice bullish move above this area. Do you see this? I hope you see that. So yeah, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Try to make this video very, very short. So yeah, I will see you guys later on our live session. So thank you very much. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. So thank you. Bye.